Hello students, I am Jasmeet Kaur, your SST teacher. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Before starting our today's topic, let's recall our previous topic. What is environment? Environment is defined as the condition or surrounding in which living things live. And there is two type of component, abiotic and biotic components are there, which are responsible for the growth of human being. It is also called living and non-living components. There is three type of environment: biological environment, physical environment and human-made environment. So there is some questions for you. Number one, what is environment? Number two, how many types of components are there in environment? And the third one is types of environment. If you will give me the answer, I will announce your name in the next video. So let's begin with the new topic, that is of class 7th, spheres of environment. So first of all, what is the meaning of sphere? Sphere means areas. So we can say that we are going to talk about areas of environment. So there is 4 areas of environment: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So these are the 4 spheres of environment. The first one is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? An envelope of air which completely surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere is responsible for the origin and the growth of human being. It is made up by many layers. So layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So atmosphere is made up with 5 layers. Each layer has its own features. Atmosphere is responsible for the growth of human being. Water vapor present in atmosphere is affect the climate. The atmosphere protect us from the ultraviolet rays, and carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere absorb the heat which is used by the plants for photosynthesis. So these are the feature of atmosphere. Atmosphere, we can consider it as air by which we are getting the gases. The next point is lithosphere. Lithosphere means solid layer, or we can say that sphere of rocks. Its meaning, lithosphere meaning is sphere of rocks. So it is also made up by many layers. So layers of lithosphere, it is made with 3 layers: core, mantle and crust. So core is the innermost layer of the earth. Its diameter is 7,000 kilometer, and this core is rich with iron and nickel. Core is further divided into 2 parts: inner core and the outer core. The inner part is called inner core and the outer part is called outer core. So core is the innermost layer of the earth. Which layer covers the core? Means middle. Mantle means middle. So which layer covers the core, or the covering of core is called mantle. It comprises 83% of the total volume of earth. It is also made up with 2 layers: inner mantle and the outer mantle. Both have their different features. The next one is crust. Crust is the topmost layer, or we can say the solid layer of the earth or the environment is called crust. It is the topmost layer of the lithosphere. It is also divided into 2 parts: oceanic crust, continental crust. The crust which is under the ocean is known as oceanic crust, and the crust which is under the continent is called continental crust. Our next point is hydrosphere. H2O is the scientific formula of science water. So we can remember the name from this. Hydrosphere. All the water bodies are included in the hydrosphere. It covers 71% of the total volume of the earth. It includes lakes, oceans, rivers, well, ponds, etc. The water which is under the ground, it is also counted in the hydrosphere. It is called underground water, and rain is the main source of hydrosphere. So as we all know that water is life form, we are using water for drinking. Without water we cannot survive. Our next point is biosphere. Bio means life forms, so it is also called sphere of life. Why it is called sphere of life? Because in biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, three categories meet in biosphere and support life. So in the biosphere, life is possible because atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere is there. That's why it is called sphere of life. And these are very important for the growth and for the origin of a human being. Why Earth is called a unique planet? Because of biosphere. Because Earth is the only planet which support life, and it is believed that water is present only on the Earth. So let's recall our topic, that is, atmosphere is an envelope of air which completely surround the Earth is called atmosphere. It is made up with troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Atmosphere is essential for we are getting the gases from the atmosphere, so it is responsible for the origin of human being. Next is lithosphere, means solid layer or layer of rocks. It is also made up with core, mantle, crust layers. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. It is divided into inner core and the outer core. Mantle, it comprises 83% of the total volume of the earth, and this layer is covering the core. Means this is the last one, the middle one and the topmost layer. It is also further divided into inner mantle and the outer mantle. The third one is crust. Crust is the topmost layer of the earth or lithosphere. It is solid layer. It is divided into oceanic crust. The crust under the ocean is known as oceanic crust. The crust under the continent is called continental crust. Lithosphere provides us land to build the factories, hospitals, houses, buildings, schools, etc. And this layer is also rich with the oil and minerals, etc. And forests are also there, which are the living house for the wild animals. The next one is hydrosphere. All the water bodies are included in hydrosphere, like lakes, oceans, rivers, and the water which is under the ground is known as underground water, is also the part of hydrosphere. Rain is the main source of hydrosphere. And the next one is biosphere. It is called sphere of life because in this atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere are meet together and support life. I hope so that you understood all the concept, but still if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will give the answer of your questions, and thank you for watching this video. I hope so you enjoy the session. Thank you.